So, cheapskate improvement number one. Even though the wheels have seen better days, as has the car, I'm going to fit new centre caps and the little M badges, even though the wheels aren't even genuine, but it'll improve the look quite a bit. So I did try using a Bojo tool in this gap here, but it didn't work. I'm not going to use a metal tool because it'll cause too much damage. So as they're obviously being chucked in the bin, I can just pull it out like that. Saves you having to take the wheels off. Now I thought it'd be nice if they were straight, but I don't know how easy it is, especially with one hand. Don't appear to be a very good fit, but we'll do for now. Stick these little M badges in there. Although, to be quite honest, I've just realised that they aren't even straight on the other car. So I'm not as upset now. It appears that the top bit's metal wrapped around the plastic base. And it just seems to stick out a little bit more than the plastic. So it's probably more down to the ones I bought. There's probably better ones out there. I won't be able to do this one-handed, but I'll stick these on and show you the difference. Well, at least the M badges appear to have been the right size. They were 17 by 9, if I recall correctly. So a nice cheap improvement for you, even if your car's as rough as this one. All in cost 17 quid. And you know, even though the wheels aren't that great, it still gives a more striking look from a distance.